Hey everybody, I want to take you through a Calvert today. The Calvert is a floor plan that is got everything you need for first floor living. We've got a first floor owner suite, the 2-car garage. With that first floor owner suite comes that wider doorway into those living areas for ADA accessibility, and then additional bedrooms upstairs. This Calvert does offer the owner suite extension and tray ceiling. So it's a nice added feature you can get for more room in that owner's bathroom. But we've just entered the Calvert. You'll see you've got a nice living area here. You've got a nice open kitchen here with plenty of cabinet space. Now we don't have the refrigerator, washer, and dryer in yet, but the refrigerator would be here, the dishwasher, sink, and then your cooking area. So that nice triangle space of cooking where you've got your sink, counter space, cooking, dishwashing, refrigerator all in that triangle space for convenience. Got a nice pantry here right off the kitchen. And then here at the end, you've got your nice laundry room area and the guest powder room. It's nice to have a half bath that's convenient for guests so they don't have to use your personal bathrooms. And then we've got our 2-car garage off this little entryway. Nice roomy area. 2 cars would fit very easily in here, mid-size, small, or large and mid-size. And nice features we have here are your Wi-Fi enabled garage door opener. So if you leave home, can't remember that you left the door open or not, you can shut it by your phone. Or if you want to let somebody in but don't want to give them a key, they can access it that way. And quick and easy access to water shutoffs. So you've got one for the main water for the house and then also just for your hose bibs during the winter months. It's really convenient. I had to shut mine off one time at my house, which is an older home, and had to crawl up under the house to do it. So it's nice to have that convenient water shutoff right there in the garage. So entering back into this kitchen area, open living area, we've got a nice sized coat closet here. Nice oversized area for extra storage, whether it's your vacuum mop or just your coat area. Remember, you do have that laundry room for the cleaning supplies as well. What's really neat about this Calvert is they opted for the back covered porch. So let me show you that. We don't have a lot of videos on those. It's something we've just really started building in this area here recently. You're gonna have a firewall with your shared wall for the neighbors. And they actually opted to have an extended patio. So let me walk out here in the yard so you can get kind of a rear view for this. So the extra patio space. And then there is the covered porch area. So you get a nice shaded area, but be able to enjoy the weather this summer. Kind of give you a sneak peek. That's ones with extended patios, but without any extensions to it. Whereas here you have the extended owner suite and the covered porch. What's nice here at Stonehouse Towns is everybody does still get a nice backyard area. And majority of our home sites also back up to either protected woods or a hill with trees like you see here. And then going back into the house, this is kind of a rear view from that back door area into the main living area. You've got your living room area, dining room, kitchen. We'll take you into a decorated model here in another video. So off of your family room area, you've got your owner suite. They did select to have that nice tray ceiling. And then here is the extended owner suite option. What that's going to give to you is the dual sinks, but also that extra vanity space in the middle. So you've got 2 separate mirrors over the sinks, that added cabinet space and vanity space. Also with the extended owner suite, you've got your commode that's kind of hidden away into a little alcove for a little more privacy. What comes standard here in the Calvert is this seated shower. You've got a nice seat here. And then we added, by special request, a second shower head here, which gives you that Roman shower. You've got your seat, shower head there, and a second shower head here. So that's something you can ask for that we will do. It is very popular here in the Williamsburg, Virginia area. Then you have your nice deep linen closet as well. And what's really nice about this Calvert is the walk-in closet in the owner's suite. You've got shelves on 3 sides. Certainly a room where you could do a custom closet organized space if you wanted to after moving. Now, undecorated, a lot of rooms will look small. Just so you know, this room fits not only a king-size bed, but a king-size bed that has oversized nightstands and dressers, as we do in our model home, that we can take a look at later on. And then across from that is the stairs that go up. Upstairs, you have your mechanical closet, 2 additional large bedrooms, and another full bath. So here in the hallway, you're going to find your mechanical closet. And here you're going to find your HVAC system, your hot water tank, which if you were to opt for, you would have a tankless hot water heater. What is also neat about the Calvert is it has a 2 thermostat system. So your damper system is automatic. You don't have to worry about switching that damper system over in the summers, falls, winter. It'll automatically redirect the hot and cold air as necessary once it reaches the temperature that you've set them on. And again, these are Nest and Wi-Fi enabled, so you can control your thermostat from your phone. With that, it's the luxury of you go on vacation. You want to lower that thermostat or while you're gone, but you want to have it nice and cozy or nice and cool when you get back. You have that ability from remotely. In this bedroom 2, you've got a nice walk-in closet as well. Or sorry, not walk-in, step-in closet. You've got a scuttle up to the attic area. And in this room, we don't have any added lights because the people who bought this asked for a rough-in for a fan. So they're going to install their own personal lighting fixtures later. And in bedroom 3. So bedroom 3 is over the garage area. Nice large area. Good for a 3rd bedroom, an entertainment area, an office, combination of more than one of those. And then you've also got this walk-in closet. Nice roomy area. Anytime you see these doors here, or these covers, that's by code. That's the access point over any open areas. That helps if there's ever a fire or smoke. Fire department or emergency personnel can get in and see what's going on. Kind of give you a view from the front here. Where we're at here in Stonehouse, you've got trees either behind you, in front of you, or both. And the trees out in front of this house and behind quite a few of our homes are actually protected trees. So they'll stay until the government decides they wanted to approve them to come down. And then you've got your bathroom. This is the upstairs full bathroom. Nice tile surrounds. You've got your LPVP waterproof flooring. Oversized vanity area. And you still have another linen closet. And then your hallway upstairs. So if you're looking for something like the Calvert, it's 1st floor living. So you've got your owner suite downstairs, your main living area downstairs, but you need extra space either all the time or just sometimes when you have guests or family visiting. The Calvert really answers all that for you. Here at Stonehouse Towns in Williamsburg, James City County, they start in the $250s. If you're interested or know someone who is interested in moving to the Williamsburg area, feel free to give us a call, set up an appointment. You can do those by virtual meeting, you can do those by phone call, or you can meet us in person. Feel free to reach out to us at 757-517-0555. Again, it's 757-517-0555. Just tell them you're interested in Stonehouse Towns here in Toano, Virginia, which is part of James City County and Williamsburg. Look forward to hearing from you.